Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage your time on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Your time on Facebook shows you the average time per day that you spend using the Facebook app on your device. Time spent on Facebook start when you open the app and end when you close it or switch to using another app on your device. So how if you want to manage your time on Facebook, it's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile on the three lines over here. You can tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. You can scroll down on preferences section. There is an option your time on Facebook. You can just tap on that. Here you can manage your time. You can use your time mindfully with tools like quiet mode and daily time reminder. You can tap on see tools. So here you can manage your time on Facebook by using this feature. There is a quiet mode and also daily time reminder on your manage your time. You can mute most push notification and limit notification dots. The next time you open the app on this device, you'll get a reminder that quiet mode is on. So you can turn on. You can set the time for every 6 day. You want to turn on maybe 1 hour, 30 minutes. Now you can apply. So your quiet mode will be on until Friday and this time. So simple, right? You can also set the daily time reminder. So that is how to manage your time on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So thank you and see you.